I'm Mark Sudon, a textile application specialist at the Graphic Solutions Group. Today we're going to do a walk around of all the features of M&R's new COBRA press. One of the first things you'll notice with this machine, it has a flat indexing system. So the pallets no longer raise and lower. It really enables you, if you want to get into the hybrid digital world and add a digital squeegee later, this is the machine that you can put it on. One of the first things you'll notice is the complete redesign of the print head. The small adhesive labels are gone and the crosshairs are actually etched in. Really makes for really smooth, quick micro adjustments. We also have off contact located with a turn of the knob in the front and rear of the machine. So if you want a little more off contact on the front, you can just simply adjust this and it'll give you a little better squeegee peel, as the squeegee travels along the screen. Again, we have pneumatic squeegee pressure knob to adjust it and the regulators. And a really nice feature is the built-in LED lights in each print head. As we move along, we're running a red chili D quartz flash in the second print head. In the third print head, we have the M&R hot head flat iron system. There's a roller and the flat iron, this being the flat iron, so we can print our underbase, flash it, hit it with the hot head, and really smooth it out and give us a really nice printable underbase. Really nice feature is the pneumatic quick flip screen lock. Before, we used to have that red handle. We'd have to pull that down. They would get loose, you'd have to adjust them. Now, flip of the switch, pull up your front screen holder. Release the lock, bring it back down, lock it in place. It's a big time saver, especially when setting up your jobs. Okay, next is going to be the slim design pallet locking system. If you're familiar with M&R machines, these used to be very bulky. Now they're a lot slimmer, really thin. Really helps you when you're doing putting sleeve pallets on, you're doing sweatpants, doing long sleeve shirts. It makes real convenient. The COBRA also has a new design HMI interface. One of the great features it has is idle mode. As you can see, the print heads that are green are the ones we have turned on. You hit idle mode, it automatically shuts off all your print heads. So you don't have to go in and turn each one off. Then you come back, you want your print heads back on, hit idle again, they're all back on and you're ready to start printing. Another great feature of the press is free spin. Hold in your reset button, unlock, and you can spin the press freely without having to hold the reset button down and just move each pallet to each print head. There you have it, all the new updated features of the M&R COBRA press. For more information, visit gogsg.com and we'll see you next time.